Okay, so what do I have for you today? In today's video, I'm going to share some content with you of my 8.5 kilometer hike at Moreleta Kloof. When I'm talking about content, I'm talking about a combination of images and short video clips I took along the route. This way, you will know what to expect should you consider going for a hike there. Go and have a look in the description below for location, contact details, cost involved, and more or less the types of hikes you can expect at Moreleta Kloof Nature Reserve. Okay, lastly, if you have any questions, drop it in the comments below and I will try and get back to you as soon as possible. Then, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. It's very helpful in terms of that YouTube algorithm. If you would like to stay in the loop, you can also hit on that subscribe button and notification bell and you will be informed as soon as I upload a new adventure video. That's it, until the next adventure.